I think the computer's been having some really big time heartburn lately, so that accounts for all that weird background noising and gyrations sound-wise. Anyway, took the front and back of one of my grandma's, my Amachi's recipe cards here. I made some notes about an article that was written about a grade school class, or music class in back in the 70s in Canada, in Langley, British Columbia, Canada. In fact, the article, here's a bit.ly link to the article. Anyway, I took a couple of highlights, and I can expect that the writing, which you might think would be done by Brussels sprouts, a stage name for my daughter, my wonderful, perfect in every way, now 8-year-old daughter, but actually her papa is the one that wrote it this way. Anyway, author Neil Gaiman, who, by the way, is somebody that I became aware of watching, I believe, his wonderful TED Talk about creation and creative about 2-3 years ago. Anyway, author Neil Gaiman said, "I wish every school taught music like this. The unqualified music teacher later admitted to knowing virtually nothing about conventional music education. But this coach instinctively understood what the kids would respond to. The teacher said, traditional cute children's music is condescending and ignores the reality of children's lives. This teacher believed, instead, kids cherish songs that evoke loneliness and sadness. David Bowie said the kids' cover of his Space Oddity, a piece of art that I couldn't have conceived of. And of the instrumental arrangement, Bowie said, astounding." Anyway, here's the bit.ly link, exactly as it was on the front side of this recipe card, this index card, this 3x5-inch card. It's where you can read the article. It's very interesting. Some really interesting stuff. Hope you enjoyed it. Later.